everybody, and thank you all for tuning in to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Christmas DIY video. Let's go ahead and get started. So I have a variety of different cardstocks here. I have solids, I have printed, I have glitter. That's the glitter sticker that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I also have these other ones with words on it, and I purchased these from Michael's. These came out of a cardstock pack from about, no lie y'all, probably about 4 years ago, and I'm just now starting to use it since I've been doing these Christmas DIY videos, okay? So what we are creating today is we're creating a chapstick lip balm holder using cardstock. Whatever you want to put inside of it. You can also probably put a lighter in there as well. And I chose to use this print and this one as well. So I kind of bent it where my Cricut machine scored the lines. You can't hardly see it on this one, but you can see it on this one. You see this mark is this spot right here is scored. This one down here is scored as well, and these were just cut, as you can see. Okay, so I have already bent down the score lines here. So all we have to do next, and this is really quick and simple and easy, nothing too complicated. So all we have to do is connect this piece, these two pieces together, and then fold in our cut edges. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use some of this double-sided tape here. So the first part has been taped down like so. Now with this one, I mean, you can tape twice if you wanted to. Like you can fold it under, then tape it there, and then tape it on the last. But I think that it'll be secured with just one piece being taped down. To just put one piece of tape down. Now if it was much more heavy, then yeah, I would probably use some hot glue and then secure it down. All right, so we have completed it. Like I said, very easy. Grab your chapstick. You're gonna go ahead and slide that in. And I love this little streamer here because I can make it curly. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that on here. Or you can place a ribbon, whatever you have available. Once you have placed your string on, now you can go ahead and curl it. We're gonna use my scissors. And I like that effect. It's really cute. I like this. Okay, now let's go ahead and start on our second one. And now, although our lip gloss is much taller, it still works. Okay. So just gonna repeat the same steps as the first one. Now here are the final looks, and you can give these away just like this, but I'm gonna add a little more extraness to it. So I'm going to use this cardstock that I showed you all earlier, and I'm just going to cut out two of these little pieces. One of them says Season's Greetings, and the other one says Merry Christmas. Then here is my foam tape. So I'm just going to apply a small piece onto both ends. Flip them over. Apply one there. Hey guys, so here is the final look at these. These turned out really cute. Let me know in the comment section below how you think they turned out, and if you're going to give it a try, make sure you tag me. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share with your family and friends. And I have already posted a number of other Christmas DIY videos, so make sure you all go check those out. And stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon.